Hello there, my name is Marcus. I'm co-founder at Gorilla Apps, a marketplace partner and app vendor for Monday.com. Um, Today we're building a client portal which connects an internal Monday workspace with our app client portal builder. And yeah, let's now move on. Okay, today we're building this simple file exchange input-output portal on behalf of Westwood. They take orders from commercial property owners and do inspections on behalf of them. So what the client can see here in the portal is a section where they need to provide required documents for a specific property. So they can simply upload like property details and floor plans, for example. And the process in the background can move forward once uploaded. Okay, files are now uploaded, fetched, and the status has changed to checking documents. And down below, the client can view any completed inspections. They can also search for a specific property, let's say Riverside. Okay, so this makes sense when there are more than 3 in total. And here they can view, for example, the condition report on behalf of that property. All right, now let's dive into the Monday workspace. So here we are in the Monday workspace. We have 2 boards for this. This is the clients board where Westwood manages their clients with a client name, the total properties managed, contact person, and where they are located. Then we have the properties board with a full inspection pipeline. This is the internal pipeline. So from documents required to scheduled inspection, in progress, report preparation, and completed. We also have connect boards column here to the clients board, the global status here with inspection date, type, the supporting documents, and the final file columns for the reports. We also have a simple automation here, which checks for the supporting documents column if that changes. And if it does, the status changes to checking documents. All right, now we start building the portal. Okay, so here in the clients board, we have already added the client portal builder app. We move to the builder tab here. So here we have the homepage. We will quickly update the page name and the page alias. Okay, so now let's get started by adding a new section here. So we choose the board table section, and then we choose show selected items to specific lines from a board. Click next, click next. Okay, so, and here we choose the property board, and we choose the connect boards column, which we have already created, and give it a name, properties. Click next. All right, so first we add a headline, documents required. Then we add a filter for the selected board, documents required, add, confirm. So this filters out any items that are not in that group. Then we will show the column name. We will show the status, the inspection date, inspection type, and supporting documents. And we make this column editable. And we also enable file preview so the client can preview what they have uploaded in the portal. Next, we will enable item search so they can search for certain properties and hide the reload button. All right, so let's quickly preview what we have done here. Okay, this looks good. Perfect. So, and for the other section, we will just simply duplicate this one, change the headline to completed inspections, update the board filter from documents required to completed, confirm, and then we update the columns to show. So we don't want to show the inspection type, the supporting documents, but we want to show the final condition report, photo documentation, and any recommendations. And here we keep everything as is. Okay, let's preview again. Awesome, this looks good. Okay, and now we will just update the settings, change the portal name to Westwood Inspections. And yeah, this is also where you can connect your own custom domain and adjust a few other advanced settings. And in the theme settings, we will first upload our logo, change the colors to match our branding, and make the sidebar collapsed because we only have like one page. So let's quickly preview again. Awesome. Logo is here. All right. So now we only have to publish the portal. All right. And the final step is to give each client a login method so they can sign into the portal. So let's move back to our client's port. So for this, let's do one for Evelyn Hart. We quickly copy their email address, open the item view. We have already added the client settings view, which comes with the app. We enable the client and we create a new credentials login method. And then Hart, paste in their email address, generate a secure password, and create. All right. So now Evelyn can log in to the portal, provide their documents, and view their completed reports. So that's a wrap. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye-bye.